Being at the VEX Educators Conference is like walking into a hardware store. You have access to all the tools that you need to really unravel and build whatever it is that you're interested in.
The VEX Robotics Educators Conference was a way for us to reach out to teachers and help them become the best teachers they could possibly be within the realm of STEM education.
I love coming down here just to meet with other teachers and other community members who use VEX in their classroom. This is always a great opportunity for us to get new ideas so we can kind of take it back to our school and see how we can fit some of these new creative ideas into our classrooms.
A lot of times as educators, we are just alone in our classroom, right? And so if you get a chance to go out and you get a chance to go see this conference, like, whoa, I'm not the only one, right? I'm not the only one dealing with these same issues.
You gotta think, okay, how to explain this to a young child? How to explain this to somebody who is very new to the field? I think this conference has provided a lot of insight in how you can provide that to those kids and kind of provide a less daunting experience for them so they can come right in and say, okay, this is maybe a little easier than I thought it might be.
The speakers have been amazing. Definitely they have motivated me to be able to go back to my school and be able to give that same kind of energy back to my teachers.
I am presenting some of the work I've done on bringing in literacy into robotics.
This year I'm going to be talking about the virtual event we developed in Miami-Dade County Public Schools.
I'm here to share the story and the opportunities to funding and successful programs with our world's educators.
I'm presenting tomorrow talking about my experiences mostly coming from engineering background as well as collaboratively working with a lot of educators. But this year, especially this year, I found that there are many, many workshops. I have attended one of them. I had a lot of fun with it. So it's a great time for you to actually get hands-on and meet with other people as well.
Hands-on is really the essence of STEM. It's really the essence of also VEX Robotics. We want to make sure that teachers have the opportunity to build, code, and play and tinker and explore with robots. And all of them have the opportunity to do that here. Obviously, the other big difference is the location, right? We're embedded inside of VEX Worlds, and that's on purpose.
It's been nice to see the juxtaposition between the Educator Conference next to an actual competition that's happening right now. So you can see these concepts that we are talking about as educators implemented very actively in competition that's worldwide.
It's just really ignites you to go back to your classroom, your state, and say, this is incredible. I've learned so much from 3 days here that I've learned in, 2 years.
As a teacher, you think you're the instructor, but VEX is all student-centered. STEM is all student-centered. So I love the fact that honestly, I could step back, let them teach me, let them teach each other.
It opened up my eyes to how curriculum should be shifted to support VEX, how the curriculum should be shifted to increase student engagement. It just opened my mind.
Remember, STEM is not about the machines or the robots, it's about the people, the teachers, and our students. And I heard most of our teachers were talking about how do we empower our students, and this is the way we can learn together and empower our students.
This world is a heavy place, but kids see life completely different. They have a hope that sometimes we might lose. If you want to be able to meet people that are on the same wavelength of understanding what STEM is and how it's going to change the way we teach our kids, you need to come to the conference.